As we discussed in TOC or automata theory, still I am just giving the brief of DFA in compiler. So construct a minimal DFA that accept all strings of A's and B's where every string starting and ending symbols are different. Starting and ending symbols are different of ASVs. Then what can be the language? Language can be A plus B whole star B, or B A plus B whole star A, because starting and ending symbols are different of all A's and B's. So that's why the final state cannot be same. Final state cannot be same, because if we do same, then there may be possibility that last string are similar, while starting and ending strings can be similar. So that's why we cannot make a common final state for that. So start with the initial state, Q0 as initial state, and from Q0 to Q1 we make a transition for A, and Q0 to Q2 we make a transition for B. One for A, one for B, and it can be any combination of A or B. So but the end should be different, starting and ending state should be different. That's why we made Q3 as a final state and we put B, because starting with A, so ending with B. In the same way, we make a Q4 as a final state here, and instead of B we put a loop of A, and here we can make a loop of A, because this is a starting, so we can make a loop of A, and we can give a B, and B can give a A back. This is not a starting state, sorry, this is not a final state. Final state is Q3 only. And in the similar way we can make a loop of B here, and we can go A here, and we can go B here. So this is the DFA, in which how many number of states we are having? 5 number of states, in which Q3 and Q4 are final state, and 5 are number of states we have. In minimal DFA, how many states we have? 5 number of states, and Q3 and Q4 are the final states, in which we have all A's and B's where starting and ending symbols are different. Now move to the next. Construct a minimal DFA that accept all strings of A's and B's where every string starting and ending symbols are same. Here symbols are same, there symbols are different. So what we will have? We will have A plus B whole star A, and or B A plus B whole star B. This can be the language. So what will be the automata? We start with the initial state q naught and we make a transition for A, we make a transition for B. So starting and ending should be same. So we can make it as a final state, and this is also A. In the same way, we can make it as a final state and we make a loop of B. Starting and ending should be same. But as we can see clearly that if we do like this only, then this combination cannot become, or while we can have all the A's and B's. So what we do, we will make another state and we do the transition for B from Q0 AB, from Q1 A, so B. From Q3 we can make a loop of B and we can give a transition for A, because we can give a transition for A but we cannot give a transition for B here, because if we give a transition for B then it can end on Q1 which is a final state, so it will give a B also, while this condition will not satisfy here because starting and ending state should be same, symbols should be same. So we can make a transition for A because starting is A, so ending can be A, so we can make loop of B here. In the similar way we can Q0 Q1 Q2 Q3 another state and we can do the transition in the similar way B, so we can make a transition for A and we can make a transition for B here, so and we can make a loop of A here. So by this DFA we will get this language, starting or ending with A, so same symbol, starting or ending with the same symbol. So this is the just an introduction of DFA so that we can go further in the compiler.